Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Schedule focused review blocks for linear algebra and probability, and install Python with NumPy and Pandas. Start a single, small project, load a dataset and compute basic statistics, so you learn by doing. Once done, create a concise formula sheet for eigenvectors, gradients, and Bayes rules. This saves time during problem solving. Make sure to practice coding common algorithms, because fluency prevents wasting exam time on syntax errors. You now build and test core models, implement linear and logistic regression with gradient descent, then validate them on toy datasets so you see how learning behaves. While coding, plot loss versus epochs, this shows convergence issues early. Once models run, add L2 regularization and tune learning rate and batch size with cross-validation to avoid overfitting. Make sure to document results and keep reproducible scripts. That way you can iterate quickly and explain choices in exams or assignments. You finish by consolidating knowledge into a one-page cheat sheet and running timed mock exams to simulate Jntuk R23 conditions. After each mock, analyze mistakes and create targeted drills for weak areas like convexity or bias variance, because deliberate practice yields retention. If a model fails, systematically troubleshoot. Verify data scaling, ensure no data leakage, inspect gradients for vanishing or exploding values, and run unit tests on core functions. Finally,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.